Hello everyone, myself Himanshu Bansal, and today I am going to give you a brief instruction about how can we blink LED using Arduino Uno. There will be two parts of this instruction video. First, we would learn how to make circuit for this, and second, how to write a code for this. Initially, I will discuss some of the necessary elements to be used to make a circuit. First and most important is Arduino Uno. Second is USB cable to connect it with the computer. These two are most essential components, but I'm gonna show you some others also. This is LED, resistor, breadboard, and a jump wire. So in Arduino board, on the left side there are digital pins, and there are analog pin on the right side. This one is the reset button, and this is the point where you connect USB cable, and this is the main body of the microcontroller. In LED, longer side is positive and shorter side is negative. One important thing to note out in breadboard is that the upper part is horizontally connected, upper and lower part is horizontally connected, and the middle two pieces are vertically column-wise connected. So let's start with the circuit part. First, we would connect this ground to the negative of the breadboard. After that, we would connect 13 number digital LED pin to the positive. Then we would connect LED like this, and the resistor has no polarity issues, so we can connect any side of these to the positive, and then attach this one to positive side of the LED. Make sure you have pushed it properly, and then finally connect the negative row to the negative polarity of LED, and in last we would connect the Arduino board to your laptop or PC.
Let's start with the coding part of this tutorial. In this tutorial, we will turn on and off an LED for 1 second each. You can have this sample code from file, examples, basics, blink. In Arduino programming environment, we have two kind of commands. Multi-line command, which uses #, and second is single line command, which use /. All Arduino programs have to have two methods or functions. First one is setup and second one is loop. Content would be inside these parentheses. Setup method will run or execute only once at the time of start. On the other hand, loop method run continuously on loop as long as Arduino is on. In setup functions, we initialize our variables. So particularly in this program, we need to initialize pin number 13 as output. In Arduino programming environment, we do this initialization by using command pinMode. There are two arguments for pinMode command. First is pin number and second is whether it is output or input. whereas loop method is used to write main algorithm of the program. So what we'll do is set the LED high, then wait for 1 second. After that, set the LED pin low and again wait for 1 second. This would keep going to make the LED blinking on and off for 1 second each. To set a state output pin, we use digital write command, which takes two arguments. First is LED pin number and second is whether it is high or low. After that, we would keep it on for 1 second, that is 1000 milliseconds, through delay command. That's it for programming part. After completing it, we can verify it, and after verifying, we can upload it.
So you can see the LED is blinking. Also, pin number 13 LED is also blinking. Congratulations, we have completed our instructional video. See you next time.